Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can make your image background on Photopea transparent. It is super simple guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced photo or image editing skills whatsoever, but more about that just in a second guys. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So as you can see, we're in photopea.com, and for demonstration purposes, I added an image or photo like that here. So we're going to use that as our design background. So all you need to do guys is select that background here in your list of layers to the right with your left mouse and head over to this feature here at the top, which is called opacity. So simply click on that arrow down icon here and move that slider to the left to change the background image's opacity. And the more you move it to the left, the slider, the more more intensive is the transparency effect, as you can see. So if I move that slider totally to the left, the image background will actually disappear. So let us set the opacity at, let's say, 25 or 30%. So that's how you make your image background transparent. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.